And Mind Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day. And the title of the video is You're Not Gonna Make It. Remember, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. Remembering none of this is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always do your own research. But first and foremost, we look at these crypto bubbles looking rather green, and Quant is ranked at 46 and currently sitting at $102 per Quant, market cap of $1.24 billion with a 24-hour volume of 24 million. And we are currently 0.9% up in the hour, up 1.2% in the day, down 2.9% in the week, and up 14.9% in the month. And everything looking rather green. Some coins are moving a lot more than Quant, and this is effectively what we are going to talk about today. But we go to Bullshark Trading and look at his trade analysis and the one-day time frame, attempting to break back out of the channel and flip to the 200 EMA. Stochastic RSI is oversold territory and looking to make a bullish crossover. Need price to have a valid close above the previous higher highs and flip the grey resistance box to shift our midterm bias to bullish. The 4-hour time frame, we can see price came back down to fill the fair value gap. This was a high confluence area as we had the FVG bullish order block, the POC and 200 EMA. We see price rejected from this area and pushed price up to the resistance trend line. And we look at the Quant BTC pairing weekly time frame, we can see prices currently within a high volume node area, and we will need to see if this holds as support or we break down and the area turns to resistance. Still have an unfilled FVG outstanding. So great stuff from Bullshark Trading here. Now let's get on to the juicy stuff. So I see this from Doge, Mami, Link rallying and Quant moving like a slug. It's actually hilarious. Max Payne, and I can't even lie. Now, it's really this crypto mentality that a lot of people have, which is I want it now scenario. I want the green candles. And I see this tweet from Nick Cash. If you are crying about how your altcoin hasn't moved in price this early in the next run, you will simply not make it. And it's absolutely so true. And seeing this tweet from the Free Antons, market makers Wales are aggressively accumulating Quant. And that's 100%, as you can see here, my tweet. And we're going to talk about this wallet in a moment. You're selling and chasing others that are outperforming. This is the only play market makers have to get you to sell for them to accumulate. That is the way it works. And we know they're buying because we're going to talk about that. This, I love this from Mifa. This basically encapsulates every moon boy and the mentality of crypto at the moment with people, because they're not seeing their coin run. They do this. So have a listen to this.
So I bought a stock, but then it started going down. So I sold it. But then it started going up, so I bought it again. But then it started going down again. But I thought it would start going up again, so I bought more of it. But then it just kept going down, so I sold it again. But then it started going up again, but I thought it would start going down again, so I didn't buy it again. But then it kept going up, so I bought it again, and then it started going down again. But I thought it would start going up again, so I bought more of it. But then it kept going down, so I sold it again, and then it started going up again.
And you see this so much on crypto Twitter. It's absolutely hilarious. And it's very much, this is the crypto mentality. People want to see these big engulfing green candles that shoot into the sky. And if it's not happening, they sell out because they've forgotten why they actually invested in the first place. I see it very, very often. And I see this from Clocky. Yes, I'm going to say it. Quant is ahead of the game when it comes to the charts. Who else thinks so? And I completely agree, because we go back to this Free Antons quote, this Free Antons tweet here. Quant price is one of the most bullish charts of all alts. Due to quant tech and scarcity, the PA is one step ahead of the rest. And we can see it here. What Quant showcased last year in the deadly bear market, the rest are doing today. And you're supposed to sell your Quant and chase those other coins. It's so transparent. And you can see from these lines, a lot of these coins are just catching up. And well, Quant is already at those levels and we're just waiting for our turn. And I see this from keys. I love to see quant not getting the attention it deserves. It's lacking behind percentage wise. The majority really underestimate it. When we pump again, people will talk about it all of a sudden, and I want to buy more. He's very, very bullish. And I absolutely agree. I think, people aren't talking about it, but that doesn't really bother me. It means that I can keep accumulating a bit more whilst it's low, because eventually it will go. It's just time. We just got to wait. It's patience. You don't want to be chasing those green candles like that guy did. It's absolutely hilarious. So we move over to this, and this wallet. I've been looking at this wallet for some time, and we are noticing a lot of movement. And I did have a discussion online with regards to whether or not this is a licensed wallet. But after that, we see more bought. So this was within the 2 to 3 days. We've seen them buy nearly 5,000 more quant. And this was when I was talking about it, when they bought all this lot down here, as you can see, and then they've gone and bought some more. So I'll be keeping an eye on this. So they are buying. Smart money is buying quant. And all that's happening is that retailers are getting bored and they're just selling it off. Now, if you're in this game, patience is key. And that's the way I see it. I'm patient, I'm an investor, and this is what I will do. I'm not looking for those short-term gains like a lot of people. The mentality of crypto bros out there that wanted these pumps and dumps, and if it's not doing anything, so they move their coins and they swap them for something else, and then they get wrecked. Are you one of those? Are you one of those that chases those green candles, or are you an investor, someone that holds? And relatively speaking, holding this for 3-4 years is quite not a huge long hold, considering if you look at stocks and shares, people hold those for years and years and years, and they don't see a huge percentage. And I think that's the reason why in crypto people have seen it. They've been almost indoctrinated to think that, crypto should pump to the moon, and actually their patience dwindles. So therefore they sell it off and buy another candle. For me, I only buy it in the red. I never buy in the green. And that's just basic investing. Anyhow, this was just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. All the best, and I'll catch you again.